Question number 5 from the AQA June 2019 paper, Combined Science Physics, higher tier. This question is on motion topic. 5.1. Which proportionality is true when a force is applied to a spring? So the answer would be force is directly proportional to the extension, which is going to be that. Next question. A mattress contains 1,200 identical springs. A person lies on the mattress and the springs compress. The mean force on each spring in the mattress is 0.49 newtons. Calculate the mass of the person. Gravitational field strength is 0.9. So in trying to calculate the mass, remember the equation: weight equals mass multiplied by the gravity. So in order to find the mass of the person would be the weight divided by the gravitational field strength. Now, weight is also equal to the force because they both share the same unit of Newton. So that's the weight experienced by each spring. So you have 1,200 identical springs. So total weight, if I work this out, total weight equals 0.49 multiplied by 1,200. That should give me 0.49 times 1,200 gives me 588 newtons. So 588 Newton. So the mass would be 588 divided by 9.8. So divide that answer by 9.8 gives me 60. kg. Next question. Question 5.3. Compression of each spring is 3.5 times 10 to the power minus 3 meters. Calculate the spring constant, which is going to be K, of each spring in the mattress. Give the unit. The equation is force equals the spring constant multiplied by the extension. So rearrange the equation. K equals, or the spring constant equals, force divided by the extension. Force is 0.49 Newton divided by 3.5 times 10 to the power minus 3 meters. So 0.49 divided by 3.5 times 10 to the power of minus 3. That gives me, and that doesn't look right. Why is that? Okay, 0.49 divided by 3.5 the power of minus 3, 140. That's right. So that's 140. The unit would be, we've got Newton divided by the meter. That will be Newton per meter. Question 5.4. For a given force, different spring compressed by different amounts. Explain what property of the spring would make the mattress soft. Now, for the mattress to be soft, you want to compress the spring more with less force. If it takes more force to compress the spring, that means the spring is going to be, or the mattress is going to be hard. So explain what property of the spring. The property is actually the spring constant, and you want a spring with lower spring constant. So answer, springs with low spring constant, because they can be compressed by a larger amount for a given force, or you could say they can compress by the same amount for a smaller force, which means they have low stiffness. That's the end of question 5.4. I'll see you in question 6.